I'm gonna argue right now that if you have more than one page of apps on your phone, you're losing a big amount of focus and productivity throughout the day. You could be much more productive if you minimalize the amount of apps that you could see. I preach on this channel how environment is key for productivity. So in another video, I mentioned how your external environment, right? If your room is messy, then you're not gonna be as productive as you can be. So same thing with your digital life. You think it has no influence on you, so your desktop is filled with apps and downloads and pictures. Look at your phone right now, look at your computer, and don't lie to me, is it full of shit that you don't need? If so, I want you to delete it. You don't need it there. You literally need one page of apps on your phone. Hide or delete the rest. A cluttered mind is also in the digital realm. So make sure not only your physical environment is in check, it's clean, tidy, not many things to look at. I want you also to have your digital environment this way. This is digital minimalism 101, right? Many of you guys said you liked my lecture. So start implementing this. Start being a digital minimalist by lowering the amount of apps you have on your phone. I literally have one page of apps. That's it. I have one page of the most necessary apps I use on my phone, but really look at each one and think, do I really need this? Same thing with your computer, with your desktop. Do I really need all these apps? If not, delete it. These two things, physical environment and digital environment, if these two things are perfectly clean, tidy, not confusing to your brain, then that's just half the battle. Most people, I argue, don't have these in check. They have a million notifications on their phone, a million apps, a lot of options for the brain to choose from, and then they wonder why they're so unproductive. Start looking at yourself in the mirror and take responsibility of your actions. I hope this video helped. Click the link in the description for a free gratitude ebook. I'll see you boys next time.